What is Spikeball sport? Spikeball, a popular sport in Canada, is a dynamic and fast-paced game often enjoyed on beaches or in recreational settings. The game is played with a small, round net placed at ankle height and a ball similar in size to a volleyball. Teams of two players each take turns hitting the ball off the net with the goal of making the ball bounce off the net in such a way that the opposing team cannot return it. The rules are simple. The ball must be hit off the net and cannot touch the ground before the opposing team has a chance to return it. Each team has up to 3 hits to return the ball. The game is played to a set number of points, often 21, and teams switch sides periodically to ensure fair play. Spikeball is known for its fast tempo and strategic play, making it a thrilling sport for both participants and spectators. What is this game called?
Spikeball.
Spikeball. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Yeah.
This is winning points.
Yes.
Game point.
One second.
2019.
Oh. Superb, superb, superb.
Game point.
That was the winning point?
Almost. I thought that was clean. 2-1. I tried to do those quick, but I literally can't. Is it? Yeah. What? I thought it was. Have you served yet? Yeah, he did. Okay, never mind. I'll trip. Oh, no. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, Ryan! Where are you taking that? It's not yours? Sorry, bad throw. Oh, you're good. I wasn't close, but I was kind of. The effort was there. 3-4. Again. Very close. We had that. Cool. Oh, good, yeah. Yeah. Oh! That was nasty. Nice one, Paul. There's a stick that did me in again. Oh my gosh. It's gotta leave him. Who is it? I think it was on my screen. Yes, yeah. Are we one up? 5-4, yeah. That's the end. Fives. 5-5. Oh. Interference. You stuck on me. I just don't want to. Like, get out of here. That was fun? were at 6.
We're one down.
6. No, you were 1 up. No, they were 1 down. They were? Yeah. Because it was 5-4. It was 5-4 and I was there. No. And 5-5. Yes. And then 5-6. And then 6-6. Okay. Ready?
That was interference.
Yeah. We get an interference.
No, isn't it read out?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Good rally. Six.
Sorry. That should be on.
It's a fumble. I didn't play
Oh, sorry.